Alrighty guys, in this video today I'm going to show you a website where you could potentially earn your first $500 online. In fact, this site is one of the top sites where people go to have fun and make money at the same time, doing surveys and games and watching videos and all kinds of things like that. And it's one of the top sites in the world that pay the most money, and it is very legit, which is what I will show you in this video. So if it sounds good to you and you want to make some easy money and have fun doing it, well then stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. I'm going to come over here to this website right here, guys. You can see it right here. Look at this. It's called Free Cash. You can see it right up here in the address bar. It's freecash.com. You see it right there. At this site, you can earn $1 per 5 to 10 minute survey. And you can see, if you look right here, it's got the ticker of people earning money on this site. And here's the chat room over here on the right, just above me. People are chatting and stuff, and you can see here, well, let me just show you. If I bring out my similar web right here, you can see that this site is very, very well traveled. As you can look right here, we're on the freecash.com. And if I scroll up right here, look here, guys, the monthly visits to this site is 6 million people come to this site every single month. And this site is rated really well. Now, you can earn money here doing games, surveys, cash out instantly with either in crypto, PayPal, gift cards, and skins. And it's a really good site. It's one of the top sites in the world to make fast money. You could potentially make your first $500 right on this site alone. And it's all, guys, 100% free. And it can be done from anywhere in the world. In fact, if I bring out that similar web again, you'll see that if I scroll up here, that most of the traffic is from the United States here, but also Russia, Indonesia, Germany, and Canada are some of the top sites, and there are others too. Some of the top sites, or not sites, but countries, I should say, that come here to this website to make money. So as we scroll down here and tell you a little bit about it here, it says, look right here, it's 17 minutes and 16 seconds is the average time until a user makes his first cash out. That's not very long at all to get cash out. This site will cash out I think it's only a 1 cent minimum. And what you're doing on this site is you're collecting coins. As you can see right here, the green up here at the top on this ticker is the amount of coins that these people are making right now as we speak. And you can see the traffic is heavy on this site right now. People are making money doing surveys and games and things like that. And it's $20 a day. Average money earned by users yesterday was $20, about $18.99 or 20 bucks. And you can see right here, this site's been in business since, if I scroll all the way down here to the bottom, right down here at the very bottom, just out from me, guys, 2020. It's been around since 2020, a couple of years now. You can see that they've paid out over $5 million to people. And people are up here now making money, and these people over here are chatting about it and helping each other out and stuff. This site is really good. It's one of the best sites in the world for this type of thing, surveys and games and videos and things like that. It says right here basically how to do it. It says how to get started. Earning money on Free Cash has been made as simple as possible. You just simply choose a task, take surveys, play games, watch videos or other things, and then complete the task and read the description before you start, and then receive coins and then cash them out. And cash out $1 even in Bitcoin. You only need $1 to cash out Bitcoin and get cryptocurrency, guys. And it says here, why is Free Cash the #1 site to make money? And then it says a list of some of the advantages and the features of it. Well, cash outs start at 1 penny, guys, right here, and then earn $1 for every 5 to 10 minutes by completing Free Cash exclusive surveys. And you can be paid out, like I said, in PayPal. And then they have the highest payouts and verified tasks and 24/7 support. And some of the frequently asked questions right here, it says, this one right here says, how much money can you really earn on Free Cash? Well, if I bring that down here, it says it is easily possible to earn more than $100 per month on Free Cash. It says here that some users even reach over $1,000 each month. And you can check out the leaderboard to see how much most of the active free cash users earn. So if we come over here and if I click on the leaderboard, which we can click right up here as well, you see where my mouse is right here, guys. And if I click on the leaderboard link here, it brings us over. Now we're on the $500 daily. And you can see right here that here's the first person. They have a contest like here, and the first 250 people win a prize. And this person right here's got 248,000 points. And if I click on earn over here, you can see that right here, 1,000 coins, just see where my mouse is, 1,000 coins equals $1, right? So if we come over here to the leaderboard on the 500 daily, this person's got 246,000 coins, or points, I'm sorry, 50,000 coins, so that's $50 there. This one here's got $35, and then $17.50 on this one here. And you can see that all these people here are earning, and this changes all the time. It's changed quite a bit since I was last here a little while ago, and this person's got 12,500 coins and so on and so forth. And you can see, like I said, up here on the ticker, people are earning thousands of coins and making money on this site. So this is the 500 daily. What if we flip over to the 2,500 monthly? See, and people here that's 250,000 coins there. That guy's got 100, and that's $250, $175. So guys, you can make, and you can see people right here are making all kinds of money with these coins on this site on a daily basis. So you have to apply yourself. You're going to have to come here and work at this each day, but you could theoretically make yourself your first $500 right here on this site. Now, just to show you here, let's come over to Trustpilot and take a look at this on Trustpilot, guys. So if we come over here, you see I'm at trustpilot.com right up here in the address bar. And then right here I've got freecash.com loaded up. Look here, guys. 4.6 star rating, rated excellent. Look at this right here, the reviews. Out of 11,000 reviews, guys, 83% like this site. They think it's great, and some of the comments about it and reviews of it right here says, guys, I'm not joking, this is the best. And then here, it's a great way to make extra money, and so on and so forth, and it just goes on and on and on, guys. So this is a good site that you can come and potentially make your first $500 online, making money from home. Now, what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on sign up, and you can sign up with a local account right here. You just want to enter your email address. If you're using PayPal to get your money, I recommend using the same email that you signed up with on PayPal, right? Put that in here. Pick a username, pick a good password, confirm it, check the box right here about the privacy policy and terms of service, and then just click on sign up. Or alternatively, you can sign up with your Google account right here, guys, and your Steam account. If you play games on Steam, you can use that here. In fact, some of the rewards that we get here when we cash out, if I click over here, you can see PayPal. It'll even pay you in Bitcoin, guys, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin cryptocurrencies. And you can pick if you'd rather have your money in a gift card. You got several gift cards right here, guys. And then, of course, right here is if you're a gamer on Steam, these cards right here will work for you there as well. So basically, you want to click on here, and then you can sign up also with your Google account and Steam account. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account here. All right, so you can see I'm signed in, and actually they gave me 10 coins just for signing in. Alrighty, that's pretty cool. And then you can see that it comes up with games and stuff right here, that other things that you can click on. You saw earlier it was these two boxes right here, but you can see that there's a bunch of other things that come up here. And look at the amount of coins that you can get just from playing the games and working with these other things here. Coinbase is that's got to do with cryptocurrency, and you can get 17,000 coins for completing something on that site. 20,000, 46,000. As you can see, you can play a Wild West game here and get 41,000 coins for that. And then there's some other things down here. They have offer walls here, guys, that you can make a lot of coins with here and to cash out. And then, of course, they have surveys here as well, too. So Basically, what you want to do, guys, you want to come over here to this site. This is probably one of the top sites on the internet to make easy money right from home. And you'll just, all you got to do is just come here and be a constant earner with it, and you'll work at it day in and day out, and you could eventually, you'll figure out how this thing works out probably, and be able to make your money a whole lot quicker and stuff like that. So this is a good site. It's just, guys, that's the video I had for you today. You can come over here and get started on this site today. If you like this video, by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there below the video, and click on the notification bell there too to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos that I upload, which I do pretty regularly here. And if you like it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up too. Also, if you have any comments or questions about this video, just leave them down there in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And if you want to see my #1 formula or free video that'll show you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, reach down there below your video in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch the free video presentation. It'll show you how you can learn the formula to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer as well. Okay, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.